Namaste everyone. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I'm going to share with you a technique where you can actually get into alpha states or theta states of your mind. The technique is very simple. All you have to do is sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, take few deep breaths, and then imagine a cave in between your eyes. When you close your eyes, it will be dark. So just imagine a cave, and the cave is really dark. So you start taking step by step, start walking into the cave, then suddenly start running. So your pace, as you go deeper, your speed needs to increase. So the deeper you go, the faster you have to be. And then just after some time, there would be a stage where it would be so fast that you're actually flying in a jet. Just imagine you're flying so rapidly, like Superman or something like that, into that cave, and just see the magic. After doing this for 10-15 minutes, um, you will reach a place where it's an amazing experience. I can't express it in words. You will be somewhere else, it's not here. So try this and see what happens. Let me know in the comment section. Again, this is again to do with third eye, and trying to stimulate your third eye. So if you are serious and you want to get into these practices, I would suggest just approach a guru. And we have Second Sight Foundation, which does this third eye activation course, which is quite genuine, and you get everything, whatever needs for your activation or techniques. Is the best course I've ever done. So if you're really serious, do get in touch with me. I can organize, or let the guru know, and we can go from there. But if you find this technique helpful, I would like to know, share your experiences in comment boxes, because my experience has been really ecstatic. I have seen places and been in places where it's just me and there's nothing else, and it's amazing. You just try it for yourself. Don't just believe what I say. Try it for 10-15 minutes every day. Make sure when you try it, you don't have any thoughts. You're just concentrating on going into that cave. Go into that cave, just go rapidly, and you just keep looking into the darkness, deeper and deeper, deeper, deeper. Yes, there would be a point where something magical will happen. Let me know in comments. It's happened to me, so I'm quite excited for you to share this with you. Again, if you're serious, do get in touch with me. If you need any other questions, or relating to this technique or any other techniques I've shared in other videos, write to me in the comment section. Please share it with your family and friends who you think can benefit from this, or who would be interested in learning these techniques. Other than that, I'll catch you in another video. Thank you for now. Namaste.